Hey everybody, so welcome back to North Fork. I'm Derek, thanks for joining us today. So today we're going to cut up some more of this tree. The last time I cut this tree, I just did a couple section of it. I think it was called cut, split, stack, repeat or something like that. Just did a couple rounds, 8 or 10 rounds of it, split it and stacked it up. But when I did that, I was using the MS362 chainsaw, Stihl chainsaw. Really like it, 20-inch bar on it. But it wasn't running exactly right. I don't know if you could tell. If you go back and watch that video, you might be able to see it, but it wasn't running right. It was bogging down a little bit. I ended up trying to adjust it once, I think in the middle of the video. I may not have shown it, but it just wasn't running the way that it should, the way that it has in the past. So ended up I ordered some fuel lines for it, just because the degradation, the fuel lines break down and stuff like that, especially with the ethanol in the fuel. And so I just got them replaced with the coronavirus and everything that went on. I ordered them. They took like 2.5 months to get here, but so I finally got them put in here. Seems to run all right, but we're going to start it up. We're going to cut some wood and see how it does. So I said about the ethanol and the fuel. The fuel that I run is ethanol free, but you know, I bought this all used. I haven't always run ethanol free. I've only started doing that since the past couple of years when I had problems. But so I am doing it now, but you know, it does break down from time to time. And so actually this is the second one. My 038, I cut down a big rotten hemlock up here behind the house. That wasn't running right when I cut that tree down as well, and ended up having to change the fuel lines in that. So in the past couple months, I've had to change the fuel lines in 2 of my chainsaws. So anyway, we're going to get this started up. We're going to cut some logs here and see how it does. right, so that went pretty well. Like I said, before when I was cutting, you know, the same stuff, about the same size oak. I get through it, you know, at high RPMs, and it just seemed to bog out. You know, it just seemed like there wasn't any power there, like it wasn't getting enough fuel. It's starving for fuel. And if there's a crack in those fuel lines, even just a little bit, it'll suck air in when it's trying to pump the fuel through it. And that air messes up the fuel-air ratio. You can try to adjust it, helps a little bit, but the worse it gets, and it just doesn't run right at all. So, man, and replacing those fuel lines is the ticket. You know, I put original Stihl parts back into it. You know, it was like $30-some for the fuel lines. Kind of expensive, but man, it just made that a great run chainsaw. Chain could be a little bit sharper. I don't have a really good edge on it right now. I just had to get out here and just give it a shot, just see if that would fix it. Again, it's been a couple months since you know, I noticed that problem. But yeah, so I'll show you what I got done. So again, this is nice 12-14 inch oak tree. Got a bunch of it cut up. This was another one that I had cut up before. Say hi, Asher.
Hi.
So yeah, so we'll get this stuff split up, and man, it's not like we need the firewood. I've got enough firewood cut, split, and stacked right now for next year. In the pile down there, we probably have enough for the year after. So I probably got 2 years of firewood cut right now. Needs split, but man, when there's dead oak like this, I just can't help but cut it up and make firewood out of it. So. You say hi, buddy?
Hi.
This is Adam. You guys want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, YouTubes.
Hi, YouTubes.
So these are our cousins, Ava and Landon.
These are our cousins.
So anyway, these are our cousins. The battery died on us there in a minute, but so say bye, guys.
Bye. Let's ride our bikes down. Do you have hose?
All right, thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you on the next one.